Good morning, everybody. It's Uncle Bill OGorman here at the Royal Nissan Subaru store on Route 281 in Cortland. And yes, waving in the wind, I do have hair. That was just a little fun we had on Facebook this morning. So what I want to talk about now is something cool, something new and special. So let's take a look. The Nissan trucks are coming back to the dealerships loaded with inventory. And we all know we were getting a little on the thin side. But now we've got some fresh cars just dropped off, adding to what we already have. Folks, if you're looking for something in the new car line, something built from a factory with low financing offers, then I would suggest definitely coming out to see me here at the Royal Nissan Subaru store on Route 281, because the Nissans are coming in. And these are the new Rogues, and we've always had new Rogues available, but this is something new. The all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. It is an absolutely stunning rendition of an old nameplate, something that's been around for a long time, has been very, very well received by the public over the years. People looking for that third row SUV have been thrilled with the Pathfinders. And for 2022, this new bolder color in the Platinum Edition is stunning. Of course, you do have your 3-row seats, easy to get them up. Of course, headrests, and look at all that comfort and luxury. And guys, folks, this is just fresh, absolutely moments ago off the truck, and it is absolutely stunning. Take a look. So this is available right now to purchase, to come in and drive, to own it, lease it, take it home. The all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. Now this particular one here, it's the Platinum Edition, fantastic fuel economy, and priced at just about $50,000. Folks, this is the car that you've been waiting for. The new Nissans, they're here, they're exciting, and they're the reason that you should stop in and see us here at the Royal Nissan store on Route 281 in Cortland. Come in and ask for me, Uncle Bill OGorman. Find me on Facebook, or just dial 607-543-1215. You'll be glad you did.